What's up guys, this is your man Jury Boy, and I just want to say that I am so excited to vlog about my journey as, being a newbie vlogger. To become a vlogger, actually, you need to have all the tools and equipment in order for you to record a good quality video. One of which is a camera. Right now, I'm just using my phone. It's Samsung S9 Plus. That's what I'm using right now. And I also got a GoPro Hero 6 Black right here. So for the past vlogs that I've been doing, I'm only using this camera or this GoPro or my phone to vlog about the activities that I've been doing and those events that I've attended. Sorry about that. And then it came to a point that I noticed that the quality of the audio that my vlogs are showing or are portraying in my videos is not good enough. So I thought about purchasing this Rode Video Micro, which when I did my research is one of those high quality video camera that you can purchase. So I got it here. This is $75 here in Singapore. So it's got this, they call this dead cat. So this basically blocks the wind from disrupting your voice whenever you do your recording. And it comes with this cord right here, this jack. It's a TRS jack. I'm gonna tell you about TRS and TRRS along the way because I've had a bit of a journey about that. So yep. And then I realized that when I purchased this, I was intending to use this on my GoPro, but when I purchased this, it's got that horseshoe mount right there, which unfortunately will not work for the existing casing of my GoPro. There's no mount for me to put in this cold shoe mount right here. And so I went online and found a proper mount, a GoPro mount that you can actually put the cold shoe on it. So this came along. This is $15 online. I bought this in Lazada, if I'm not mistaken, and this is just for $15 or $17, and it's got that horseshoe or U-shaped mount right there that fits with there perfectly. Fits with a Rode Video Micro, and that's it. And I thought that it's already gonna work right after that, but I was mistaken. I was mistaken because when I checked on my GoPro, apparently it doesn't have a TRS jacket. It's one of those frustrations that I had when I purchased this, and it cost me almost 100 Singapore dollars already just to get this thing to work together. But unfortunately, that's not the case. So I did a lot of research about it. I learned about TRS or TS, TRS, and TRRS. So TS means tip and sleeve. TRS means tip, ring, and sleeve. And then the TRRS means tip, ring, sleeve. And for GoPro, this is TRS apparently, but there is no port for you to connect this in here because it's only got a USB-C and a micro HDMI on it. So I went online and I checked around and I thought about buying this Apple USB-C to TRRS because apparently this jack right here is TRRS compatible, which was a mistake because when I purchased this and tested this in my GoPro, it did not freaking work. It cannot, it's not recognizing it. And then I did a lot of reading online and I found out that in order for you to use this on your GoPro, you need to actually buy a GoPro microphone adapter. A microphone adapter that is made by GoPro themselves. Apparently it's one of those things where you're gonna hate GoPro because you just want this microphone to work in the GoPro, but it's not letting you because apparently GoPro wants you to use their products instead. So it's one of those frustrations. I've been doing my research and I've been doing a lot of reading again, and I don't want my purchases to come into waste because can't even freaking use all these things for my GoPro. So I thought about, why not use this in my phone instead? The question still is, how am I gonna mount this in my phone? So that's one of those challenges. But then I did test this in my Samsung S9 Plus, and yeah, it works perfectly fine actually. It actually works perfectly fine, and the audio is absolutely fantastic. So what I did was I went to Plaza Singapore here in Singapore, and I purchased this. Ta-da! Tabletop tripod, Surui. So it's a tripod, or it's a mount for phones that's got a horseshoe mount right there, and the stick is retractable with a built-in tripod. So it's a very, very cool purchase right here. It's about $39 here in Singapore. So now what I'm gonna be doing is I'll be doing a product review of this mount that I purchased just now for $39, and let's see what it has. Oh. Look at that, guys. So that is the tabletop tripod. So it's got this retractable stick that has a built-in tripod and Bluetooth one click right here. Pretty sleek. And this is the mobile phone mount, and that is the cold shoe mount right here. Pretty sleek actually. So only thing left now is to basically test and see if this is actually gonna work. Alright, so I'm using my iPhone S7 right now to connect all these together. So this is my Samsung S9 Plus, and I'm gonna hook it up to my rig right here. Oh, by the way, in order for the Rode Video Micro to work with S9 Plus, the configuration or the adapter that you guys need is the TRS to TRRS. So apparently, you know, your Samsung or iPhones are configured to use TRRS and not TRS. So I purchased this extra adapter, which is $25, and yeah, so all I gotta do is hook this up and that should do the trick. So I'm gonna do exactly like that right now. That's it. That's my rig right there. So Rode Video Micro with my Samsung S9 Plus, and I'm pretty much happy with the setup that I have right now. So let's give this one a test. I'm gonna switch over to my Samsung S9 right now. Okay, now I'm using my Samsung S9, and I'm not using the Rode Video Micro yet. So because I want to show you the difference between the Rode Video Micro versus the one that is in the phone. So right now I'm using the built-in microphone coming from the Samsung S9, and this is how it sounds right now. And I'm gonna connect the Rode Video Micro in 3, 2, 1. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. How does that sound right now? I'm pretty sure it's a lot better. I've tested this before or just now, and I could confirm that, you know, the sound is working very, very well in Android phone. So yeah, I'm pretty much happy with my rig right now. Switching over to my iPhone. So yeah, this is my rig. This is my setup. It's pretty neat. I love the look. I feel like an actual vlogger right now because of the Rode Video Micro. It looks a little bit bulky, but you know, it takes a little bit of getting used to. So this is my workaround for now while I'm waiting for my GoPro microphone adapter, which I bought in Amazon. So it's gonna take about a month or 2 months before it arrives here in Singapore. So this is gonna be my rig for the meantime. Woohoo! So that's it. If you have any suggestions or questions, please comment below. I'll be posting videos in the next coming days because I have an activity this coming weekend. If you like this video, please click on subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Bye now!